guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the snake diet. I did the snake diet for 2 weeks and here are my results. Before I get started, please hit a like, comment, and subscribe to this video because please do. It's gonna help me out a ton. But yeah, let's get started to what you guys really wanted to talk about, to hear about, and why you clicked on this video. The snake diet. A snake diet is about a fasted, focused lifestyle, or just in general fasting for a long period of time and eating at a short window, a small window, be it 30 minutes, be it an hour to 2 hours max. The person that is been like head of the snake diet, the creator, is Cole, and Cole is super, I mean, his videos are pretty intense, I'm not gonna lie, but his heart, the meaning, like, I've watched a lot of his videos and he definitely cares about people. He cares about the obesity epidemic and he does this for free. The first time I was like, you don't do this for free. Obviously fasting does not cost you anything. In fact, it's free. You don't, not eating is free. So essentially he's telling you not to eat, but to keep your electrolytes up, and he gives you a snake juice. Snake juice is just electrolytes that you drink. It's like Gatorade without the sugar and without the excess fluff that people think is nutritious. But I contacted Cole and I was like, hey, I'm trying to do this, this, and that. I'm trying to lose this amount of weight. What is your suggestion? And he definitely asked me for pictures and my start weight and what I eat, how I eat. And then before he even did all of that, he asked me what my goal was, my demographics and all that stuff. And then I added myself to the snake diet group and I've been doing it ever since. But here's my 2 weeks results. I'm really happy with what I'm getting results wise, strength wise, and just my stamina. I thought that fasting, it's not that I've never fasted before. I've done intermittent fasting. I fasted for religious purposes. I fasted most of my life, but this is just, instead of saying, okay, I'm only gonna fast at the beginning of the year because this is what we always do, this is how my family does, this is what my church does, I am going to fast every single week or every other day, or 48 hours, 78 hours, and then I'm going to break my fast with a meal. But yeah, I encourage you guys to really seek this out. Do your own research. Just don't take what I'm doing as face value. Everyone has their own journey. Everyone has their own issues. Everyone is not lifting weights 3 to 4 times a week, not doing CrossFit, you know. So with that being said, you have to take what you're doing and what this lifestyle is about very seriously, because it's not about just not eating. You have to replace electrolytes. If you're peeing and you're dehydrating yourself and you're just drinking water, you need to replace that fluid with electrolytes. And before everyone starts to knock fasting, when you go to the doctor's office, you fast. Babies fast. I work with babies, and babies fast for days, and they're given TPN, and that's electrolytes, and they're given lipids. Obviously, you're not a baby, but just be cognizant that when people get really sick in the hospital, they are fasting, they are forced to fast. Or when you get to go to surgery, or if you have to do certain procedures, you have to fast. So you have fasted before, willingly or unwillingly, knowingly or unknowingly. If you have forgotten to eat breakfast or forgotten to eat throughout the day, that's called fasting. So fasting is a period of not eating or not taking a certain amount of food, or you can just refrain yourself from eating to start. But I definitely encourage people to start doing something, cutting calories, because 6 meals a day doesn't work for everyone. You know, it's not gonna be ideal for everyone. I'm not gonna carry my food out into the field. Like, I go to the field. Sometimes the military doesn't feed me. Why? Because rations, leadership, you know, different things. it's life, and you have to learn not to eat. And the snake diet is definitely perfect for my lifestyle personally. Yeah, I was started with a 72-hour fast, then went to 48-hour fast, and yeah. And this is snake juice right here. This is what Cole is finally made. You can definitely get all the, I only use this when I just throw this in my bag. Let's see. I throw this in my bag when I have to go to work or something, or I know that I'm not going to be able to mix up the original snake juice. So you put this in a packet and you drink this throughout the day. Add 500 milliliters of high quality filtered water into your snake bottle. That's just something that he does. I mean, to be completely honest, this is on Amazon. If someone isn't taking money for this, and it took him a while just to bring that product out, and it's literally sodium, potassium, and chloride. And I can tell you for sure, those are those are in TPN. But it's 0 calories. Yeah, this is 0 calories, pretty sure. But yeah, I like it. Check it out. Check out Cole, his Instagram. I'll be loading his Instagram, the Snake Diet Facebook group down in this link, or in this video, and as well as the snake juice for convenience sake. But yeah, this has been something that I've been wanting to do, a video that I've been wanting to put out. Disclaimer, Cole will curse in his videos, but you know, if anyone has ever been to boot camp or any military school for the very first time, if you ever have and ever want to think, maybe I should go to boot camp, Cole is the drill sergeant. This is what drill sergeants say, how they say, and I honestly find him hilarious. Not to say some of the things that he says is so true, and how he says it, it's just hilarious, you know. Believe in God, go to church, but Cole is amazing. Love his videos, they're definitely motivational. He gets stuff, he says things that everyone's really scared to say out in society. He doesn't sugarcoat anything. You have been warned. You have been warned. But yeah, he's down to earth, super cool guy. Messaged him on Instagram like within hours, days. Like obviously he's in Canada, I'm in the US. But honestly, you're the one that's doing the diet. He's just there to motivate you, to yell at you. And if you enjoy that type of motivation, or you're like, man, if this guy's about to cuss me out, like, so, thank you again for watching. Be informed about this fasting, and be informed about health in general. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.